So the Firemaple G2 Petrel pot. Look at that. Your mobile kitchen comes in a nice little bag. I'll show you inside. Nice little pot, 750ml, but it's got a pouring spout, and I think that does help a lot with making hot drinks and putting water into your meals. Good thing about this is it takes a 200g canisters of around that size, so not just your 100g ones, it takes 200g. The lid's got a little bit of depth to it so you can get more in it. I've got my cup in it. I've got the Green Peak stove with the igniter on, pot stand, 100ml gas canister, and it's massive inside. So on the bottom there, as you can see, you've got your heat exchanger, 3-prong fitment, 120 degrees. There's a 100g Coleman gas canister in the bottom of there, and as you can see, it fits in there with lots of room. So yeah, it's a nice little pot. I've used it quite a few times. Great little thing. The other one is a little bit narrower, a little bit taller, but it's only 700ml. Now with this, you're getting 750, but you're getting the pouring spout, and you're getting more room inside, obviously that extra 50ml, but with the lid being that deep, it's great. So a cracking one, it's got the steaming holes on the top, your nice rubber top, and the locking handle to keep it all in. So you don't really need the bag, but it does help in case you want to put your hot chocolate sachets around it. Right, a cracking little pot. I'll put a link in the description to it. I like their gear. The pan I bought myself years ago, cracking, but aye, what a piece of kit. So that's a Firemaple G2 Petrel pot, and that's 750ml.